Good morning, party people. Welcome to the breakdown.
I'm Johnny, this is Nath, and look. Oh, damn it.
What are you doing?
I was going to say something about, like, you know, I'm not hell, but I'm far from heaven. And that would have been shit anyway.
That whole thing sucked. I'm
Yeah.
so sorry. Today we're checking out Fit For An Autopsy, Far From Heaven.
This one's been requested heavily.
I'm caught up in that. You making such an effort to be funny, you just froze yourself.
Yep. No, you're right. I did. The wheels have come off, my friends. It's been a long day.
Yeah,
anyway.
They have been rolling for a very long time.
Yes, the oil does not work anymore. Anyway, Fit For An Autopsy have been requested a few times on the channel. I have never listened to this band. Like,
based on the name, it doesn't sound like something I'd want to listen to that much, personally. It sounds deathy.
You don't like deathy?
I don't listen to much death metal. Or deathcore, or anything with the word autopsy. You know what it sounds like? It sounds like a Cannibal Corpse-y to me.
I don't know if they're that intense.
I know nothing about them. I hope I'm
yeah.
pleasantly surprised. It's just a band I haven't checked out.
I think it's going to be metal AF, which, as you know, metal also fun. So we're going to jump in and get stuck into this one. Look, I can guarantee it's going to be heavy. So anyway, kind of like me. A little bit chunky. Check out our merchandise, please. Follow us on the socials. Like, subscribe to the channel. Turn the notifications on so you get to be notified when we release one of our million fucking videos that we do.
Is this you making up for not speaking at the start? Now you're just not going to stop
too
speaking?
much. Yeah. Like, subscribe.
What he said. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh. Well, we got blood and coffins.
I like it so far.
I like that guitar.
How's that just bass?
I like that guitar too. These dudes have sick axes.
I'm enjoying it so far.
Yeah. Oh, a little bit fiddling. I didn't know their vocalist was a 12-year-old boy. Press play, Nathan.
I'm not fucking touching it.
Sorry for disappointing you. Ooh. Oh, yes! It's very metal.
This is awesome.
Yeah, it's definitely not what I expected.
No, I'm loving it so far.
Yeah. It's good metal.
It's good metal. Good metal AF.
Also fun. Oh, yeah.
We haven't paused this anywhere near enough to talk about it. It's very captivating, this whole thing. Yeah. I like his vocal tone.
Yeah, it's really cool, man. Yeah, really cool. And this has been super riffy from the get-go. And it
And
hasn't let
driving
up.
the whole way through.
Yeah. I
Real
love
stomp
those.
and beat.
Yes, that's exactly what it is. Those real driving, dun, 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 and then it kicks into a real sort of catchy and impressive like guitar line. It's really good.
Yeah.
Digging
So
it.
far, so good. That guitar line
Yeah,
there,
it's so sick. Yeah.
dope. Get it, boys.
That's cool. Oh, what a strong finish. What a very engaging, confronting, visceral video.
Yeah.
It was... There's a lot to take in the video.
That was nothing like I expected, and I loved it.
Yes, but in saying that, the music video was kind of along the lines of what I thought we might get.
It got more and more like that as the song went on.
Yeah.
To start with, I don't think it was. I was pleasantly surprised. That was sick.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah.
I liked,
Really good.
as I said, I really liked his tone. I liked there was that switch up of the tone as well in his scream that became that little bit more high-pitched, bit more animalistic later on.
Yeah, he's obviously a very good vocalist. I like that sort of interjection of the little bit of melody in there as well.
Yeah.
And I know, look, for bands like that are super heavy, often the interjection of clean vocals can be a little bit taboo, and you know, like some metal fans can dislike it just because of it being...
Oh, you're selling out!
Yeah, exactly. But look, I think, you know, bands like that and like Whitechapel and stuff like that, I think that they do it in a way that it doesn't seem tacky or forced, and it really does complement the songs.
Yeah, for sure.
And it
I
worked.
loved the gang vocal thing that happened at the end there. That was really cool as well. Added an extra dynamic.
Drummer was great.
The whole band was great.
Bass
There's
very
super,
heavy.
Yeah, super heavy tone of the bass. Really great guitar work throughout the whole thing.
Guitar work kept me, like, it was so interesting. It was
Hmm.
There was so much cool shit going on. That was great. I'm going to have to dive into them a little bit more. Yeah, for sure.
What did you guys think? For those of you that have recommended it, thank you.
Good
You
job.
guys do know us, and I love that. That's sick. And for those of you that hadn't heard them before, did you like it? Would you check out more? Comment below, let us know your thoughts, and we'll see you guys in the future.
Thank you.
Yes, he's absolutely right.